The PAWS Airdrop is one of the legit airdrop you can find right now in the Web3 play to earn industry. So PAWS is making waves. No unnecessary ton transaction, good team, good experience, solid backing. And that is what we'll be discussing in this very video about the PAWS Airdrop and recent update. All of these in this very video. Pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. And if you've not joined the PAWS airdrop, I will leave a link in the description of this video. Check it out and join right now. It's going to pay off. The first thing I want to talk about there is if you join the community, so join our community, something very important right here is this very message. There is no tax. I love you. What it takes to get a milli. New secret quest is live. Some challenges are not meant to be solved. Don't think too hard. What does this mean? If you go back to the PAWS mini app and go to the end section, okay, if you come to the end section here, before now, under this limited, there was a mystery quest of 1 million, okay, and that very 1 million mystery quest was not supposed to be claimed. That was what this very message is all about. That's what it's all about. This very message right here. So some challenges are not meant to be solved. Even in our daily life, some challenges are not meant to be solved. Most of those challenges will just go away by themselves. So if they come by themselves, definitely they will go away by themselves. And the next thing here is this very last message on the PAWS community. Last time, Dev went too hard. No PAWS rewards were given for the latest mystery quest. This time, we got something for you all. Go check it out. And if you go back to the PAWS mini app and then you come to this very end section, you discover I have already claimed my own. So limited mystery quest plus 5,000 PAWS. I just claim. So how do you claim this? Because right now, some of us, our timer that appear right here should be counting already. How do you claim it? You can claim it in a very simple way. Come right here and click on this very icon. So if you click on this very icon, okay, if you click here, it will activate that very claim button. And once that claim button is activated, then you can now claim. Because I think if you leave the time to elapse, that is a timer to count and it elapse, you cannot claim this very plus 5,000 PAWS in this my case again. So what you need to do right now, if you are still seeing your timer counting at this very point, all you need to do right now to claim the available PAWS for this very mystery quest is to come right here, okay, and click on this. You see this love sign will coming up. Once you click on it, then that claim button will appear and you can claim. This is very important right now, an important update for the mystery quest. And right here, partner, if you click on this very partner section, you discover the only partner right here right now is the Bloom channel. And if you're not doing the Bloom airdrop, I think you are missing out big time. Join right now. The Bloom airdrop is one of the legit play to earn airdrop that is going to pay when listing comes and allocation. And if you check right here as well, which is the in-game, under the in-game right here, I don't have any tax, but always do this very tax right here. Put in your name, do this tax, and also invite your friends, because the more friends you invite, you are going to get more PAWS. The link to this airdrop is in the description of this very video. Join the PAWS airdrop right now with that very link. Let's roll it together. And then if you come back to this very home page, you discover right now I have 28,000 PAWS and my rank is legend. You can do more better than myself. The goal is for us to make money from this very PAWS airdrop. It's legit, no unnecessary ton transaction, and that is why you need to take it seriously. So that is a very important update right now, guys, for all of us that is on this very airdrop. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto contents. Check the description and also in the pinned comment for our Telegram channel. Join right now for more crypto news, updates, investing and trading strategies. Thanks for watching.